Good morning everyone. Today I am here to present a video presentation about this topic, detective fiction. So let's start. Detective fiction. Detective fiction is a subgenre of a crime fiction and a mysterious fiction in which an investigator or detective, either professional amateur or retired, investigates a crime after murder. The detective genre began around the same time as speculative fiction and other genre fiction on the mid 19th century and has remained extremely popular, particularly in this novel. Most famous heroes of the detective fiction: Augustine Dupin, Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, Erlikon. See, Augustine Dupin is a character of the murder in the Rue Morgue short story written by Edgar Allan Poe, published in Graham's Magazine in 1841. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is a fictional private detective created by the British author Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, referring to himself as a consulting in the story. Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot is a fictional Belgian detective created by Agatha Christie. Poirot is one of the Christie's most famous and long-running characters. Appears in 33 novels and 2 plays and more than 50 short stories. Published between 1920 to 1975. First appearance was the Mysterious Affair at Styles. It was in the middle of the First World War in 1921 and published by John Lane in the United States. Books: Murder on the Orient Express, the ABCD book, The Down the Line. Murder on the Orient Express is a detective novel by English writer Agatha Christie featuring the Belgian detective Hercule Poirot. It was first published in the UK by the Coiling Crime Club on 1st January 1934. ABCD Murders is a work of detective fiction by British writer Agatha Christie, featuring her characters Hercule Poirot, Arthur Hastings, and Chief Inspector Japs as the content with a series of killing by mysterious murder known only as ABC. Dead on the Nile is a book of a detective fiction by British writer Agatha Christie, first published in the UK by the Coiling Crime Club November 1st, 1937. Plays: Black Coffee, Towards Zero, Albi. Erlikon. Erlikon is a fictional detective hero created by Manfred Benitton 1905 to 1971, and Frederick Danny 1905 to 1982, as well as a joint pen name for the cousins Danny and Lee. Erlikon first appeared in the Roman Hat Mysterious 1929 and was the hero more than 30 novels, several short story collections during the 1930s and most of the 1940s. The detective heroes was possible to best known American fictional detective. What are the three types of detective fiction? Cois crime, hard-boiled private detective. Cois crime fiction. Cois mysterious, also referred to as cois, as a subgenre of a crime fiction, in which sex and violence occur off stage. The detective is an amateur assault and the crime and detection take place in a small, social, intimate community. Example: The Murder at the Vicarage, written by Agatha Christie, published at October 1930. Hard-boiled fiction. Hard-boiled fiction is a literary genre that shall come of its characters and setting with crime. Example: Black Mask. First issues 1920. Final issue 1951. Publisher Pro Distributor Publishing Company 1920 to 1940. Popular publication 1940 to 1951. Private detective fiction. A private investigator, a private detective, or inquiry agent is a person who can be hired by individuals of groups to undertake investigatory law service. Private investigator often works for civil and crime case also. Features of detective fiction. The traditional element of the detective story are the seemingly perfect crime, The wrongly accused suspect at whom circumstantial evidence pointed. The bungling of dim-witted police. The greater power of observation and superior mind of the detective. The starting and unexpected denouement. Golden Age of Detective Novels. The period between First World War and Second World War is generally referred to as the Golden Age of Detective Fiction. During this period, a number of very popular writers emerged, including mostly British, but also a notable subset of American and New Zealand writers. Female writers constituted major portion of a notable Golden Age writers. Agatha Christie, Dorothy L. Sayre, Josephine Day, Margery Allingham were particular famous female writers of this time. Various conventions of the detective genres were standardized during the Golden Age and in 1929. Some of them were codified by writer Ronaldo Cons in the Decalogue of Rules of Detective Fiction. Another common convention in the Golden Age detective story involved outsider, sometimes as a salaried investigator or a police officer, but often a gift amateur investigating a murder committed in a closed environment by one of a little number of suspects. Profile Agatha Christie, born in 15 September 1819 in Devon, England, died at 12 January 1976, Winterbrook, England. Rest peace, Church of St. Mary's, England. Occupation novelist, short story writer, playwright, poet, memoirist. Known as Queen of Mysterious. Genre murder mystery, detective story, crime fiction, thriller. Literacy movement, golden age of detective fiction. Notable works, creation of characters Hercule Poirot and Miss Maffel. Thank you. Have a great day.